7-pace time trackers, time pickers, can be used to add time to existing work logs or to combine time to apply the correct duration. To illustrate this feature, let's open an existing work log in Monthly View. Click the Edit button. Here, we see the current duration is 2 hours. However, assume the actual time frame spent on this work log is 4 hours. Simply click the +2 hours button and the duration field updates. Next, let's log time on a new issue. In the Add Time window, assume we spent 3.5 hours working on the issue. Click 2 hours, 1 hour, and 0.5 hours to quickly set the total duration. To summarize, 7-pace time trackers, time pickers, can be used to quickly add and edit the work log duration field.